It's a secret that not many people are talking about. Check out these channels, they're making millions by focusing on this niche alone. They're getting millions of views using this simple method of quiz and MCQ videos. The best part? You can do the same with just a few easy steps. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you thought the last strategy was mind-blowing, this one is going to take things to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to grow a faceless, highly engaging and monetizable YouTube channel with just a one-click setup. Quiz and MCQ videos are trending worldwide because they test knowledge, create a fun game-like experience, and keep viewers hooked, which means huge potential for growth. I'm about to share the same premium strategy but in an even easier and more automated way that people are using to make serious money. And guess what? You only need two tools, ChatGPT and Canva. No complicated steps, just clear, simple and easy to follow. Let's start. First, open ChatGPT on your device. You'll use it to generate your multiple choice questions. Type in the following prompt to get your MCQs. Create a table with 20 multiple choice questions. MCQs in the following format. The table should have columns labeled serial, MCQ title, option A, option B, option C, and answer. Provide 3 answer options A, B, and C for each question and include the correct answer in the answer column. The topic should cover psychology, health, and mind games. Once ChatGPT generates the table, review the questions and options to ensure they are accurate and relevant to the topic. Make any necessary adjustments to fit your specific needs. Next step, open Canva and select the YouTube video aspect ratio. Go to Elements and pick a spiral background for your design. Add shapes from elements to display your answers. 3 options, 1 correct, 2 incorrect, and 1 additional shape for the answer. Arrange the shapes, add borders, and duplicate them as needed. Insert text boxes for the question and answer options A, B, C, and answer. Customize the fonts and text size to your liking. Copy the first question from ChatGPT and paste it into Canva. Repeat this for each question and its answer. Add a timer to give viewers time to answer. For example, set a 10-second timer and have the fourth answer, the correct answer, appear after this time. Animate the quiz elements using the pop animation for a dynamic effect. Enhance your video with additional images or flags relevant to the questions. Gather related images from elements by copying keywords from your MCQ questions. Save these images in a Canva folder for easy access. In Canva, select the bulk create option to start entering multiple sets of data at once. Clear any existing data from the table to make space for new content. Copy all the questions and answers that you want to include in your quiz. In Canva's bulk create feature, paste the copied MCQs into the table. This will automatically populate your template with the quiz content. Find and add images related to each question. Upload images from your folder to Canva and place them in the appropriate sections of your template. Connect data, link the serial number in the table to identify each question uniquely. Assign each MCQ question to its respective entry. Link the first answer option A to the corresponding question. Link the second answer option B to the question. Link the third answer option C to the question. Assign the correct answer to the question. And finally, link each question with the relevant image from your folder. Now add a free sound from the YouTube audio library to enhance the video. Finalize and continue. Once all data is connected and reviewed, click continue to apply the changes and complete the bulk creation process. Check the generated keywords and ensure they are correctly displayed in the Canva template. If you notice any misplaced text or minor issues, take 2 to 5 minutes to correct them. In the top right corner of Canva, click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download in the File Type options, select MP4 video. By default, all pages will be included in the download. You can double-check by clicking the Select Pages option and making sure all pages are selected. You've now seen the potential of the quiz and MCQ niche channels are making millions, and it's still massively underrated. But here's the thing, most people won't act on it. They'll see the opportunity and just let it pass by, leaving all that profit on the table for someone else. Don't be like them. You have the tools, you've seen how simple it is. Take advantage of this while the niche is still wide open. If you wait too long, you'll regret it when others start cashing in. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and help spread the word. Thanks for watching and don't miss your chance.